Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Alisia.B, and in today's video we are doing a post relaxer protein treatment. If you guys saw the title, you guys will know that we are using the Aphogee treatment today. I have used this product both on my relaxed hair and on my natural type 4 hair, and I absolutely love this product, so we're gonna deep dive into it today. But before we get into that protein treatment, we're gonna wash our hair. If you guys saw my last video, and if you guys did not, make sure you guys check it out. My hair is really greasy right now. I'm gonna show you guys exactly how it looks. It's greasy, it needs to be washed. The reason why is because I did the drench method in my hair, meaning that I drenched my hair with oils and moisturizer and let it sit in my hair for about 2 days. It was supposed to be the next day, but then the weekend got really hectic because of school, but it's okay. I refreshed it and now it definitely needs to get washed. So we're gonna take it out. I'm gonna show you guys how my hair looks and then we're gonna get right into the treatment. So this is how my hair looks. As you guys can see, it is super greasy. I just want to like pre-treat my hair before I got into it, but I'm gonna show you guys the products that I'm using to wash my hair with, and then we're gonna get into the protein treatment and exactly what you need to do in order to have a successful protein treatment day. So the first product I'm going in with is the Detox Way shampoo. This product is just gonna help me detox my hair from all the dirt, the grime, everything that's in it. It's just gonna make it clean, because when you do a protein treatment, you wanna make sure that your hair is as clean as possible. So if you go in with a detox shampoo, I highly suggest you go in with a hydrating or moisturizing shampoo following it, because it will leave your hair super dry, because it's detoxing everything from your scalp. It's taking away all the dirt, all the grime, all the grease, the oils, everything that's in your hair is gone. I am also going to be using the Texture ID Coils Detangling Shampoo. You guys, if you are a type 4 girl, this is your best friend, okay? This product right here will give your hair, first of all, it smells amazing. Oh yeah, it smells so good. I actually like smells like this. It's not too sweet, but you definitely smell the honey in it. This one is sweet almond oil, honey, and yogurt extract. So if you don't know what Texture ID is, Texture ID is a product that is a company that makes products for different types of hair. They have type 1, 2, 3, and 4 hair. Because I was type 4, I did buy it. And even though I am still relaxed, I'm still leaning towards buying products that are meant for type 4 hair or like damaged hair, because they have more properties in that product that makes your hair just feel and look a little bit better. It gently cleanses and clarifies, and it is sulfate free. If you guys know me, I do not use sulfate in my hair. It just makes it a little bit too dry for me. This shampoo, it says to be a super hydrated shampoo and gently cleanses while detangling the hair. A blend of sweet almond oil and honey seals in the moisture and adds softness, leaving your hair revitalized and refreshed. So this is going to be really good to use after the detox, because it's going to bring back all that moisture in your hair. So these are the two products I'm going to be washing my hair with, and let's see how it feels afterwards. So this is the first wash with the detox shampoo. As you guys can see, there is absolutely no suds, and that's because there's so much product in my hair that my hair is just like breaking it down now. So that's why I always double cleanse, and that's why I tell you guys, double cleansing will make sure that you get all the dirt and all the grime from your hair out. But yeah, so I must go wash this out and double cleanse it again, and you guys will definitely see the difference when I come back. So you see how much more the soap is like sudden on my hair, and that just shows you like all the dirt and all the oil and the grease that I had in my hair has finally broken down, and it's finally clarifying my hair. And that's what you want. That's why I always say, you guys, double cleanse your hair just to make sure you get all the dirt and the grime out of it, so that way when you do your silk presses, your protein treatment, or whatever hairstyle you do, it's not freshly washed and clean hair. So this one is the Texture ID Detangling Shampoo. You guys, this makes my hair feel so good, and again, because it's meant for type 4 hair, it has more properties to make your hair feel more moisturized. And you guys, my hair just feels like silk. Like, I'm not even lying. If you guys have not tried this Texture ID and you are relaxed, highly recommend go try it. This is supposed to bring back the moisture into my hair, the hydration, and also detangle my hair a lot easier. I forgot how much I love this product, and definitely try it out. If you guys have not tried it out before, you guys will fall in love with it. It's just my opinion. Okay, so this is how my hair turned out, you guys. It feels so light. Like, when I tell you, it feels like nothing is on my head. It literally feels like nothing is on my head at all. So what I'm gonna do now is we're gonna go into the protein treatment. So I actually got the package ones because I don't usually buy the bottles because I don't do my protein treatment with this product as much, but I think I'm going to. But this is the Aphogee 2-step protein treatment. So step 1 is the actual protein and step 2 is the balancing moisturizer. This is how it looks like. Make sure you guys read the instructions for protein treatments because protein treatments could either be really good for your hair, or if you mess up, it could be really bad, okay? So for the 2-step protein treatment, it comes in this package, and if you were to buy it in the bottle, it'll come in a bottle like this, and it just makes the application process really difficult. So what I like to do is I actually bought a spray bottle to put it into the spray bottle to spray in my hair. I find it's much easier. The purpose of the Aphogee 2-step protein treatment is to stop breakage on even badly damaged hair when used as directed, okay? So read the instructions. Apply the Aphogee treatment, thoroughly saturate hair, and comb blend through with a wide tooth comb for even distribution. Leave hair uncovered. Do not use a plastic cap. So when you do the protein treatment, you do not want to use a plastic cap because the plastic cap will make the treatment stay wet, and you actually want the treatment to dry on your hair because when it's dry on your hair, that's how the protein actually gets onto your hair and binds to your hair. That is a treatment itself. Note, it will come extremely hard. When you're done, when it's hard, do not comb or brush the hair. Re-wet and gently rinse thoroughly with warm water, and then it will say to use the balancing moisturizer. If you do a protein treatment, you guys always follow through with a deep conditioner or some type of conditioner. I like to do deep conditioners because protein is really dry into your hair, okay? So we're gonna put this Aphogee treatment into the spray bottle, and if you're not new to this, you know that this protein treatment has a smell to it, okay? I'm not gonna lie to you, it does not smell the best, but that's not the point. The point is you want your hair to grow, you want it to get stronger, so that's what we're going to do. So this is how much is in the package. So not a lot at all, but definitely one pack does my hair. Okay, so this is how the hair looks like. I'm all done, and now I'm gonna sit underneath the dryer for about 15 minutes. Does it say how long? Okay, so it does not say how long, but once the hair is dry, I think the protein treatment is done. So we're gonna see how long that takes. So right now the time is 11:30. I'm gonna go underneath the dryer now and see how long it takes. Okay, so this is how it looks. It is really stiff, like it is not going anywhere. So you don't want to manipulate it too much, but this is how it looks after, and it is super hard. Like, I don't know if you guys can hear it, but it's super hard. So it says that it will drastically stop the breakage for 6 to 8 weeks after use. So let's see if it actually works. The time I actually went underneath the dryer was 11:45, and now it is 12:05. So it took about 20 minutes for my hair to get hard underneath medium flow on the hair dryer, or the hooded dryer. So now we're gonna wash it out, and we're gonna put the balancing moisturizer into our hair just to bring back the moisture, and also do a little bit of a deep condition as well. The deep conditioner I'm going to use is this Silk Elements Advanced Repair Vitamin E Moisturizing Treatment with turmeric, aloe, and silk. I absolutely love this product. I added my oils into it. I added castor oil, almond oil, and coconut oil and jojoba oil in here. I just mixed it around, just some carrier oils, and this is all I have left. Oops, don't want to lose that. My hair feels so soft, you guys, after this protein treatment. It feels so good. This is why I bang with Aphogee. Like, Aphogee is pH balanced. I don't know if you guys know this. So it works really well with the balancing of your hair, and it just feels amazing. Usually 1 pack is enough, but if you like have a lot of hair, I suggest you buying the bottle. I have the bottle here because, like I said, I was using this product since before I was relaxed, so I always needed more. And I also just like conditioning my hair with this product because it smells really good. Actually, it's not like the protein treatment. You want to keep this in for about 2 minutes, rinse thoroughly, dry, and style as needed. And yeah, this is very straightforward. I just honestly love this product because it just brings back everything to my hair, and it's a humectant, so meaning that it has properties to actually bring back moisture. So it does not have any protein in it, which is really good. So you're getting the benefits of just having thoroughly hydrated hair. And this is how my hair looks, you guys. It feels so soft. All right, so I washed out the balancing moisturizer, and yeah, I can't tell you guys any more of how much I love this product. Oh my gosh, it smells so good, and it takes away all that protein smell from the protein treatment, which is really good because, again, the protein treatment smells like chemicals, okay? Like, it smells like straight up, ugh, it's not a good smell. But now we're gonna put in the Elements Advanced Repair. This is just gonna bring back even more moisture into our hair and just fortify it just a little bit more. So if you are a person that likes tingliness on your scalp, like, this definitely has that. It has menthol in it, I believe, so it gives you that tingling sensation that just makes your scalp feel so good, especially because we did do the detox shampoo. Like, you actually feel it penetrating your scalp, and it feels so good. That's one of the reasons why I love Silk Elements. At first when I used it, I did not expect it, so I thought something was happening. I thought I had texturizer actually in my hair, because their texturizer bottle is almost similar to their deep conditioner bottle. So I thought I had texturizer in my hair, so I freaked out. But then I realized it wasn't texturizer, it was actually the menthol, like, working on your scalp and stimulating your scalp. And it's so good because it actually helps the blood flow. Oh, you guys, this is one of my favorites. Definitely underestimated this product. We are finally done, okay? We are done washing, deep conditioning, protein treatment. This is how our hair looks once we are done the Aphogee treatment. You guys, my hair feels so soft, like, it feels like a cloud. Like, it feels like nothing's on my head, and it smells so good. That Silk Elements really gave my hair just that nice tingling, clean feel that I like. And now I'm just gonna blow dry my hair, flat iron it, and show you guys the final results on how it looks after we did that whole protein treatment. Okay guys, so after the protein treatment and I flattened my hair, this is how my hair looks like. You guys, it feels so freaking good. And do you see the shine? Like, do you see that shine, you guys? No one can tell me that my hair is not healthy. It looks like it's growing and it's just blooming, you guys. I love this. So definitely try the Aphogee treatment. It definitely will give your hair that fortified strength that it needs, and it'll just make your hair feel so freaking good. If you guys are wondering what products I use to flatten my hair, I am gonna make a video on it, so make sure you guys tune in for that. But yeah, this is just how my hair looks like right now. And if you guys stayed until the end, please like and actually put a star emoji so I know you guys are there, because this hair is just, it's gorgeous, guys. It's gorgeous. Anyways, you guys, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you guys learned something new in this video and you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.